Welcome, in front of me is an Emporia Smart.5 and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So, to get started, navigate into your settings. From here you want to scroll down till you see storage. It looks like it's actually somewhere else. So there we go. As you can see, if you search for storage, it will come up with storage management. And in here, I believe we should be able to... Where is it? Ah, there we go. So my bad, it's in system storage, exactly. So that's where it is. And here you will find your SD card, so you can simply tap on it. Now it will open up files. From here, simply click on the three dots and then select storage settings, and you will see format option. And when you press on it, it will give you a pop-up right here letting you know that formatting will erase existing content on the SD card. To avoid losing content, back it up to another SD card or device. So obviously, if you keep anything on it that you don't want to get rid of, make a copy of it to something like a computer as an example. And from there you can begin by selecting Format SD card. It will start formatting it. It did close it up, so just give it a moment. Now it looks like it won't give us any kind of confirmation. It will just appear with the icon right here once it's finished formatting it. So it will just show up as what it will be, top to set up. So just a notification about your SD card that it detected it, and you're good to go. That's about it. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.